So today I'm going to go over how to replace this lens on a Ford Edge. This is applicable from 2019 all the way to 2024. I thought it would be more helpful to show you with the light out of the vehicle. One of the things about getting this out is you have to pull on this light extremely hard. Getting it off to the point, it's only one screw. There's one screw right here, and I'll show you that here in a little bit, the process. But the fittings that you have to fight are that one, and that one. And the light has to come directly back this way. And those fittings fit here, and here, and here. So once you remove the screw, you have to yank on this thing. It feels like you're gonna break it till it pops out. And the next thing is this guy here. That is just a squeeze fitting. There are actually no conventional bulbs in here. This is all one LED fixture, so if you get a crack in it, you have to replace the whole thing. Or if a light goes out, you have to replace the whole thing. But you know, you back into somebody, you can just replace this whole piece. I'll have a link in the description for the whole light lens. There's no bulb in here. This is just a little fastener for the wire harness. But the way this wire harness works is you press here and pull, and that comes right out of here. So that's what it looks like off the vehicle. Sometimes I think it's more helpful to see what's behind it than the process, and then I'll go into how to pull it off now. All right, the first thing we're going to do is take a pry tool and wedge it in there, and that flies out. That's all we got right there. That goes in there, and it says that where the top is, it is directional. So we pop that out. Inside of there is a Torx T20. I'm sorry, I misspoke. That was a Torx T25. And then I have this on a really low torque setting, and we'll back this out. Boom, that's it. So that's what the screw looks like. You can also use a flathead on there. So we got that out, and we're clear to pull this out. So I get my hands, there's a little lip down here and one here. Oh, don't yank there, that'll break. And that's how you do it, almost fall over. So I'm 200 pounds, and I put all of my weight to pull this out. So once you pull it out, then it reveals this clip, which I've talked about already, what you just depress here, and that will release the light. But you've already seen that. So putting it back on, make sure you line this up. Let's get the wide angle here. If you are gonna pry on this, you can scratch the paint. So I tried prying on it, didn't work very well. Honestly, just yanking on it. But I'm gonna line that peg up with that one here. Sorry for the camera shake there. I lined this one up and I lined this one up, and now I'm just gonna push it in and it pops. Then I'm gonna throw this guy in. Make sure we're going the right way. I put this on a low torque setting because this is plastic. You don't want to torque that down. Then we find the top, it says top right there. That fits in right there. And that's how you do the whole taillight assembly on a Ford Edge.